Welcome all. I said welcome all. Welcome all of you to the second Anvil Nation meeting. Today at the Anvil Nation Courthouse of Fun we are talking about a very important subject. It has come to all of our attention.
That we are a terrible nation and we stink?
No, Joanna, shut your stupid pie hole before I fart directly in it. That we are in need of new Anvils to join the nation. So we called this one weird stinky dude up named Fatty Mcgee and asked if he can join the nation, and here he is now, guys.
Hi guys, I'm proud to join the nation. I like walking upstairs.
That's very nice to know, Fatty, but we do not need to walk upstairs here.
But I like the stairs.
But we do not need to walk upstairs. We need to fart. What in the hecking heck was that?
That was my mad E, 'cause you make me so mad when you farted in my face.
Well, you make me mad when you want to go upstairs, but we don't do that here. We need to fart.
Fine then, have it your way.